So this is an LG inverter drive 8 kg washing machine. So it was showing an OE error, that is a drainage related issue. So it's stuck, it can't do nothing. So even if you try to move the selecting knob, nothing is responding. So what we are going to do, we are going to switch it off. Then after that we're going to remove the water manually. Always ensure to unplug your machine from power. So next we're going to remove the water manually. You want to see if something is stuck in there or not, because it's not removing water. So if you check from the drum, it still has water. It's draining the water from here, but it's quite slow. So definitely that one is a blockage related issue. So we get into it, because if you check here, we still have water. And once you open here, the water should come out. A lot of water should come out with a lot of pressure, but now it's coming out slowly. So that one is a blockage related issue. And also we have to check the pump, if the pump has an issue. So now if you check, this is the way water is coming out. Definitely there's something stuck in there. There's still water in the drum. So you can try put your fingers in here, then try, okay, there's something already. Then you put, that's it. So this is what we got from the machine. So what we do, we'll close it. We'll close it. And then we power it. So after removing that, you see now, we can now switch it off. When you power it on, now you see now it's selecting. Okay, so what we do, we'll put it on a rinse and spin. We want to see how it puts in water and how it removes water. Let's put it on 800 revolution. So it's filling the water. It's now running. See, the machine is now draining well. It wasn't draining, now it's draining. I put the pump down so that we see how it's draining water, but normally it has to have a specific place where it's fixed for draining, so that the floor doesn't become slippery. So it's draining well. Can even open here again. So yeah, the machine is now okay. So that's simple, how to remove something that is stuck in there and the machine is not spinning. So most of the time, normally small things like this one, socks, handkerchief, they easily block the machine, and these are